Let's go. Let's roll. It's your night. I'm about to take you there. I'm lightning like Steve McQueen. I'm in the fast lane when the light turns green. And I built tough, I ain't nothing but grit. Cause I made rugged blood, sweat, and spit. Yeah, like a horse I fly. Better brace yourself in for a bumpy ride. I like to play hard, but I work harder. And I weather the storm cause I'm built stronger. I was born to run. I was built to last. I was made for speed. Cause I was born fast.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturally Mary here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys something other than a wig, something other than crochet braids. I got this comment requesting that I do more natural hair extensions that don't require a wig. So y'all know I got y'all. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a very versatile way in order to increase your density, in order to increase your length, which we love for us. I'm going to start with my natural hair prep first because I want you guys to get prepared for all of this goodness. So this is my natural hair. Once again, I do have type 4 natural hair. This is my hair already pre-prepped, and I would recommend that you go ahead and set your hair the night before. Ensure that it's already slicked down the way that you want. If you want a middle part, do that. I decided to go for a side part with this one, but if you want to see how I slick my hair down, I'll link a video in the cards above, so check that out. So right now I'm showing you all a way to prep your hair if you don't desire to have the ability to pull your hair up. But if you want to pull your hair up, take some hair out around the parameter and then braid the middle down, which is what I'm gonna do. So this is all the leave out that I'm going to use, and no, your part does not have to be straight. Y'all know I struggle with parting, so don't even worry about that. After doing this, we're going to braid up the center and then we'll move on to the next step.
I got the magic. I got the magic. Gonna let all y'all see what I'm made of. What I'm made of. I got the magic. I got the magic. Gonna let all y'all see what I'm made of. What I'm made of. I'm a brilliant performer, a mysterious sucker. I'm my own best promoter. Now your searching is over.
So I know you guys are wondering what type of magic is she going to show us today? Well, I'm going to be showing you all some clip-ins, but these are not just any regular clip-ins. These are seamless clip-ins, which are going to give you more of that invisible look. So you're not going to be able to detect where these start in your hair once you install them. So I'm going to show you guys what they look like right out of the package. They are gorgeous. Of course, I got the Kinky curly texture, and this texture blends so perfectly with my hair. So these clip-ins are by CurlsCurls. They have two options for these on the website. You can get the thick or the normal set. Now I got the thick one, and it does come with 10 pieces, and this is enough for your entire head. These are designed in a manner to where they look like tape extensions. The cool thing about these extensions is that they're very thin. I will show you guys later on a comparison between regular clip-ins and these, but we'll get to that a little later on. Now it's time to wash the extensions. I want to show you guys how I prep these. So y'all already know I'm going to be using the Aussie 7-in-1 conditioner. I'm also going to be using my Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush in order to define the curls. And for my stylers, I'm going to be using the curl defining glaze as well as the coconut curling cream. Now to cut time off of the process and make it so much quicker and easier, I like to keep the extensions bundled together. So I grip the middle of the bundle, I apply water first, and then I begin to saturate the hair with the conditioner. Then I use the detangling brush to define the curls. After doing this, I like to go in sections to make sure that each third of a section is fully defined, and then I go in with my stylers.
Wild child, fire starter. Wild style, fire starter.
I'm a wildfire, hit you like a prize fire. Ooh, baby, I'm a wildfire. Straight from the block, no, I cannot be stopped. I'm a wild child, hit you with the hard style. Ooh, baby, I'm a wildfire. Straight from the block, no, I cannot be stopped. I'm a wild child.
I mix the Gucci with the Louis. With so much style, she like ooey. I'm the lights, the camera, and action like a movie. It's showtime, baby, I'm on. I peep your viewing. Yeah. Yeah. Just watch me now. Just watch me. Just watch me now. Just watch me. Just watch me now. Just watch me. Just watch me now. Just watch me, hey! I got the sun shining on my soul. Electric current down in my bones. So amazing, got me shaking. Pay attention if you know. Now I'm ready for my intro. Brought to you by my style alone. Clean and pretty, perfect fitting. You never seen it before. Get ready like 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow! It's so good. Got me up on this feeling. It's so good.
So now that I've applied the stylers to the entire bundle, this is what the bundle looks like. The curls look so juicy and amazing. I'm gonna lay it down on a towel. I'm also gonna be sure to spread the hair out so the air can get to the entire bundle so that it's able to air dry fully overnight.
Just watch me now. Got me up, looking down. Got me on high.
All right, y'all, so it's the next day. The hair has gotten an opportunity to air dry overnight. And y'all, I did get 2 bundles because whenever I've worn clip-ins, I've always done 2 bundles. But I was pleasantly surprised that I did not even need both bundles. So this is what the hair looks like. I'm gonna now cut the band that comes attached to the bundle. After doing that, I'm gonna separate the hair. Now, the cool thing about the method that I showed you guys is that when you separate each strip, the hair is gonna come apart and be voluminous right away. So you won't necessarily have to pick, which I thought was so great. So the hair is going to look so full, so beautiful. And I was like, oh my goodness, this also helps me to save time with my install. Now, as I shared earlier, these are constructed similar to tape extensions, but I would recommend these any day over the tape extensions because I feel like with natural kinky hair, the friction from the adhesive that's used on the tape extensions is going to break at our roots, and that's not good for our hair. It's going to be very damaging. So I do want to show you guys a quick comparison between the classic regular clip-ins versus the seamless clip-ins. This is an old pair of my CurlsCurls clip-ins in the kinky curly texture. And as you will notice, this particular weft is much thicker than the seamless ones. It does have a little more flexibility though, but the seamless clip-ins are much thinner. They allow for you to lay them super flat along your scalp. They're also easier to conceal, which allows you to blend it so much better with your hair texture. They're really comfortable, but you do have to make sure that you lay them flat. And because of the way these were constructed, there should be a reduced amount of shedding with these. All right, now let's get into the install. If you follow my channel for any length of time and you've seen any of my clip-in tutorials, you know that I always like to start at the top. And when it comes to placement of the clip-ins, I just feel like it's best to consider spatial reasoning. So based on where your part is, you just want to find wefts that are long enough in order to fill in the space provided. So I start at the top and I like to start near the part first. You want to make sure that you open all the clips that are on that particular weft and begin inserting the clips into your hair, but be sure that it's not too close to your scalp. Ensure that you can kind of wiggle it a bit so that it's not creating tension and it'll be very comfortable. Now, you may have to do this quite a few times in order to figure out which weft best fits the area. I did have to take mine off quite a few times in order to figure out which one was the best fit. I ended up going with the weft that had 2 clips in the front, and disregard the white residue you might see. That's from the gel from slicking my hair down. After clipping those on, I just proceed to install the others, starting at the top and working my way all the way down to the bottom.
I'm in demand, I'm in command. I got the whole wide world in my hands. I'm in demand, yes I am. And no one else can do it like I can. I'm in demand. I'm in demand. I'm in demand. I'm the leader, a crowd pleaser,
sought after, jumping off the meter. You're looking at me like what you see, got what you need. Crown on the ground, I'm next level, I'm supreme. You like it when I move it, work it just like that. Cause no one else can do it like I do it, yeah. Razzle dazzle, I'ma show you what I got. I'm coming in high, let me drop, making it pop. And nobody can do it like this. I'm on top of that list. I'm in demand, I'm in command. I got the whole wide world in my hand. I'm in demand, yes I am. World domination is my plan. I'm in demand. I'm in demand. I'm in demand. The Himalayas ain't got nothing on me. Kilimanjaro is way below me.
Now I tried a little trick for the very last weft. Instead of flipping it down toward my nape, I flipped it upward, and that's going to cause your weft to lay really flat. And if you're planning on wearing your hair up, this is a really, really good technique that I'd highly recommend that you all try. It worked out so well.
I'm on the peak, top of the world, just at a rate. Looking at me, sugar so sweet, I can't do it. A blue ribbon winner, I'm the best in show. Standing on the podium and dipping gold. The crowd is off their feet and giving standing O's. So here's the encore that you all been waiting for. And nobody can do it like this. I'm on top of that list. I'm in demand, I'm in command. I got the whole wide world in my hand. I'm in demand, yes I am. And no one else can do it like I can. I'm in demand. I'm in demand. Salute, I'm the leader. Salute, ain't no beginner. Salute, I'm a winner. Salute, keep those others up for dinner. Yeah, and nobody can do it like this. I'm on top of that list. I'm in demand. I'm in command. I got the whole wide world in my hand. I'm in demand. Yes, I am. World domination is my plan. I'm in demand.
Y'all, at this point, I could not get over how amazing this looked with only one bundle. The thick set of the seamless clip-ins is so amazing and so perfect for the amount of volume that I desire. Now, you could go in and further define the curls, but I loved how big and juicy it looked this way. But I will be showing you all later on how you could just quickly go through and define the curls if you desired to, just with the leave-in. I'll show you guys that in a moment when I get to the styling portion, but this just looks so great. I did decide to spray on some anti-itch braid spray, and I like to use this for added moisture in the hair. And sometimes I also go in with my Icy Fantasia heat protecting spray just for added shine. So you guys could do that or just leave it as is, and it just looks so good. Y'all, look at how well my hair blends with these clip-ins. It is amazing.
Yeah, it's gonna be hard, bro. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah. I feel like I can rule the world. I know I could be what I want to. Above all, be yourself all the time. Let no one tell you what you can't do. It's all about life and progression, motivation and the lessons and the blessings that come with it all. And if you feel like quitting, don't stop, keep going, cause you know they love to see you fall. I don't know about you, but I'm trying to ball. Cause I ain't had enough and I deserve it all. I put my all in it like no days off. On the road, let's travel, never looking back. Like,
Feeling like gold, I don't wanna hide it. Oh yeah, on top of the world, nothing gonna stop me. Ain't nobody telling me no, I'm catching feels wherever I go. Yeah. Feel like I can rule the world. Yeah. Like I'm on top of the world.
you know,
Like I can rule the world.
like I can rule the world. All I wanna do is live my best life for the rest of my years. Do what I love, just not what I can. And master my life for a master plan. Cause I remember way back when they thought I wouldn't last. They said I wouldn't win, but whatever though. I'm in the end zone, I'm doing my thing, and I'm big goals.
Oh yeah, feeling like gold, I don't wanna hide it. Oh yeah, on top of the world, nothing gonna stop me. Ain't nobody
curve, every part, yeah. Cause I'm strong and I love the skin. I'm in every shape, every inch. No doubt there's power deep within, yeah. Beauty ain't a color, ain't a number, ain't an age, nah. Beauty comes in every size and every shade, yeah. I'm perfect just the way I'm made, yeah. Whoa, whoa. I'ma be my best self. I'm loving who I be, yeah. I'ma be my best self. There's no one else like me, yeah. Self-love, self-help, self-care, self-healing, self-worth, self-aware. My best self. Loving every part of me. I'ma be my best self. I'ma be my best self. I'ma be confident, no limit, owning it. Look in the mirror and all I see is love. And take it one step at a time, cause I'm enough, yeah. Beauty ain't a waistline, ain't a smile, ain't a face. Beauty's holding my head up with grace. And I thank God for the way I made it. Whoa, whoa. I'ma be my best self. I'm loving who I be. Yeah. I'ma be my best self. There's no one else like me. Yeah. Self-love, self-help, self-care, self-healing, self-worth, self-aware. My best self. Loving every part of me. I'ma be my best self. 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 I'ma be.
All right, y'all, that's the end of this tutorial. I hope that you all thoroughly enjoyed it. Be sure to check the description box for all the links and specifications to these seamless clip-ins. I love you guys. I look forward to your comments and feedback. Follow me on Instagram if you aren't already. Also subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye, y'all.